Hi, I'm Cheryl.
And I'm Maria.
And welcome to the Sewing Room channel.
Well, everyone, it is officially fall, and we thought it would be a really fun and great idea to go over all of my mom's different fall sewing projects that she has available on her channel.
But before we get started on that, we want to remind you, please follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. So the first thing I want to show you is these fabric bowl covers. They're really quick and easy to make. I even show you how to put a decorative edge on it if you want to. So if you're going to a potluck family Thanksgiving meal and you don't have a particular cover that comes with the bowl you're using, you can make these and they're really easy. They don't take a lot of fabric. So you can use some fall themed fabric for this. My other one that I really like are making basket liners. Now this basket, you can use it as a bread basket if you want to. Change the liner out for Christmas holiday also. They are really easy. You can make it with or without the rick-rack trim. So you can use this for a lot of different things. And then also, this is my bread basket or anything. And it's just all fabric. You can fold it down like I have, or you can leave it straight up any way you want to do it. You can make it larger or smaller, really, however you want to make it. And this one is really cute, and it is a napkin basket. You just measure the size of your napkins and just change the sizes in the video to match your napkin measurement. Really cute, real easy to make.
Now, some of my mom's favorite projects to do are these DIY decorative kitchen towels.
Yes, and they're really simple to make and they're very quick. And I like changing everything out for every season, so I make a lot of towels. But these two right here have what I call machine applique, and it's using fusible web to adhere fabric to the towels. So you can cut these little designs out of fabric that you've purchased, fuse it on, do some decorative stitching around the edge, and you can actually add any border. This one has a little ruffle on it, so these both have ruffles. This just has 3 different pieces of fabric that are stitched on. There's no applique pattern on it, but you could, if you wanted, to add appliques to any of these towels. You can pick up inexpensive towels with fall designs on it. This one came from Dollar Tree, and I added just a little fabric border with some rickrack. And then this was a little fall owl towel. I believe I bought this at Walmart, and I added again, here's another little machine applique flower on it, and this has ribbon on it. And then this one is just really simple. Just a band of fabric, and this is a bathroom hand towel, and with a little bit of a satin stitch along the edge. So you can not only decorate your kitchen, but the bathroom. And this is beautiful. This is my favorite bathroom towel set. This has fall fabric on it with some decorative ribbon. Again, simple to do, just stitched around the lower edge of the towel, and it really will make your bathroom look stunning. It'll just look great. Other projects that I make a lot of, and I'm always giving them out of gifts, and my family loves me because at Christmas they really make out. If you like to quilt, make little quilt blocks like this, this is the maple leaf pattern, and it's just a bunch of squares stitched together. And of course it's got fabric stuff on the back with cotton batting, and you can also use Insulbrite in your pot holders. This is really cute. Super easy oven mitts. I make a lot of these. I think I've got 3 of them here. This has a mason jar on it. Really, really cute. And then this is just a 4-patch. That's what this pattern is called. So it's 4 squares stitched together in a particular order, and you have this really cute little design, and you can make it with little hanging loops to hang it around your kitchen.
And these are my favorite.
Yeah, the big old oven mitts. And these are my husband's hand size, so they're huge and also real easy to make, and you can make them custom fit to anyone's hand that you like.
And we will link below the tutorials for all of the projects that we talk about in this video.
Yeah.
So just, if you're interested in making any of these things, just check the About section of this video.
Yes, okay. Well, let's move on to some table items.
So another great easy fall project are these fall fabric napkins. Great for cleaning up those messy faces for when you're eating a bunch of food Thanksgiving Day. One great way to utilize these napkins is to pre-wrap your utensils and put them in a basket. So that way, if you're doing buffet style, you know, your family, your friends, whoever's over can just easily grab their little place setting.
And if you're not sure what fabrics to make them out of, you don't know how to coordinate them, because they don't all have to be the same print, buy fat quarter packs or buy just 1/4 yard of different pieces of fabric, and you have this really nice variety. And it's also a conversation piece, because everybody will say, oh, mine's got this on it.
I think it's fun when they don't match exactly.
I think that's true. And so you can place them, like she said, in this basket, or again, you can just put it onto your placemats. And this is a really easy fall placemat. It's just round, really simple, same fabric on the front or back. So if one side gets dirty, you just flip it over to the other side and use that side. So really easy project to do. This is a jelly roll placemat, and in a moment I'll show you the jelly roll table runner that goes with it. You just buy your jelly roll of pre-cut strips of fabric, stitch them together, and you have a placemat. Another one is just 4 pieces of fabric stitched together, and this is called a 4-patch placemat. This is actually kind of one of my favorites, but in a moment I'm going to show you my absolute favorite. And then this is really nice. This has got, I don't know, what are these called?
Moose.
Deer? No, I don't know.
Deer.
Deer. With deer.
Deer.
Okay.
Not moose.
What do we know? With little squares stitched around it. It's really a nice fall look. If you're not into the pumpkin look, this is another nice fall look. This is my absolute favorite. In fact, one of my viewers made them and sent to me a picture of hers, and I was so thrilled to see that picture. But up here at this empty spot right here, she used her embroidery machine to say, I don't know if I can't remember if it said Happy Thanksgiving or Happy Fall, but it was really clever to use this extra space up here.
We love seeing your finished projects.
Yes.
So if you ever want to email or
Right.
if you are in our Facebook group or Facebook page, you can share your projects
Right.
there. But we love to see
so
photos of the things that you've made from my mom's tutorials.
It doesn't have to be fall. It can be anything you've made.
Feel free to share what you've made.
Yeah, and send it to the Sewing Room Channel at gmail.com or connect with the Facebook page and post it there. And I just love seeing them. This is a really easy table runner, and it's just beautiful using these fall fabrics. It's just strips of fabric stitched together. You can make it as long or as short as you want. So just pick out your favorite fall colors, a light and a dark, stitch them together, and you're good to go. And now let's look at that jelly roll. Remember I showed you the jelly roll placemat? Well, here is the jelly roll table runner, and I made this really long because it's going on my dining room table, because my dining room table is very, very long. Again, you can make this any length. I used 2 jelly rolls to make this. So if you want to make a shorter one, you just need to buy 1 jelly roll pack. And this is fan favorite,
Yeah,
right?
this is like the fan favorite. If you haven't checked out this tutorial, I highly recommend.
Yes.
This is her So Easy Fall Table Runner.
And it's just beautiful, just absolutely beautiful. And it is the fan favorite. It has been for quite a while.
Another great project for the fall are these decorative pillows, which can get kind of pricey when you're buying them in the store.
Yeah.
So sometimes you can make them on your own for a little bit less and customize them to your liking. One of my mom's decorative pillow tutorials that she has is this one that is made out of felt.
Felt. You can use crafter's felt, which is a little cheaper than the regular felt. And all I did was just cut out different shapes, little acorns and fall leaves, and just top stitched around the edge. There's really no special sewing skill to this. You can make it any size you want, use any style of lettering. I just drew my own letters. That's all you really have to do. You can make them crazy, funky. It's really, really fun. And there's no, just a little bit of stuffing that's put in there. No fancy stitching at all. Just really, really straightforward. This one's cute. This is fabric that I had where it was already pre-stitched together squares. You don't see this very often, but every now and then I will see this kind of fabric. And I just drew my own shape of pumpkin. So in the video, I show you how to draw your pumpkin, and you can make these little felt leaves to put on it, or leave it without. Again, you can make this any size, and it's purely decorative, doesn't have any other special use, but it'll look cute sitting on a favorite chair or up on your shelf.
Yeah, and a great little gift too, I think.
A little gift, it's just fun. Another thing that I like to do, and Maria can attest to this, is I like making pillow slipcovers. And probably for 20 years, I keep changing my pillow covers because I change them with the seasons. I get tired of what I have. She can say this, oh God,
the pillows always change at my mom's house.
And I make them slip covers. So if you've already got pillows you've purchased, you can make slip covers, or this was a purchased pillow form. Got it at Walmart for probably, I don't know,
Makes it easy to change out. And again, over time, it's a little less expensive than going out and buying
and
if
it should get dirty, it's washable. So you can pick out your favorite fall fabric that you see, and these have little prairie points on them.
So
these
cute.
are so simple to make. You won't believe how simple these prairie points are. So again, look for the links for all of these pillows below.
So as many of you know, my mom is an amazing sewer. My skill levels are extremely novice, so I tend to gravitate more towards the no-sew projects. One that we recently did are these rag wreaths. They're super easy.
Yes.
You just cut strips of fabric and tie them onto a wire wreath.
So these are great scrap buster projects. Great projects. And they are so much fun. In fact, the whole family can make these. You can get your kids busy. All they have to do is know how to tie a knot, and
And we got the wire wreaths from the dollar store, so it's an inexpensive project.
Very inexpensive. So as I said, go through your scrap first before you start buying more fabric. And they're just little, I think 2.5-inch wide strips cut up into smaller pieces, and then you tie them on. Don't forget, you can also make them for Christmas or any season, spring, summer, patriotic
your favorite sports
holidays.
team.
Yes, everything. You can put your team's colors up there.
School spirit.
School spirit. I think that's a really good idea. So another scrap buster project is this little garland. And I had scraps left over from the rag wreath and a jelly roll and that jelly roll table runner. I used up those scraps and put little beads, little craft beads that I bought at Walmart, and twine that I bought at Walmart, and just put them on there. In fact, Manny, your dad, helped me finish it up. I was running behind, and he sat down, and even he could do it. So it's a really easy project, and your children could do this too. Really, really
simple. You can
simple.
make this, again, for any season. At Christmas, it'd be great to make to, like, wrap around a little tree, maybe.
Yeah. Any season. Christmas, spring,
summer.
Right. Hang it on your door.
Whatever you're into.
Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed looking at all these projects. I certainly enjoyed making them, and I really enjoy sharing them with all of you.
And I hope you're excited for the fall season, because it's officially fall, which is super exciting.
Right.
Temperatures are dropping.
Yeah. So
you'll get your pumpkin spice latte.
So So anyway, again, follow us on Instagram at The Sewing Room Channel. Also check out my Facebook page and look for the links below of all of these projects.
And don't forget to subscribe. Please
Yes.
click that subscribe button. If you like this video, click the thumbs up. If you want to stay informed about all my mom's latest tutorials, ring the bell so that you get notifications about all her upcoming videos.
Yeah, and on the Instagram posts, you will see behind the scene photos of things I'm working on, shopping trips I go on, and just projects I'm working on that I don't necessarily do a video on, but you see what my interests are.
Yeah.
So recently I've been really a lot into machine embroidery, so I hope to be showing you more videos on machine embroidery. So thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time, and
Happy sewing.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button. Don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Don't forget to click on the bell and enter your email address so you'll receive email notifications about my latest videos. I'm Cheryl, and this is a lot of mayonnaise. See you next time, and happy sewing!